How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today let's talk about your Apple Calendar isn't syncing problem on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, or iPhone 14 Plus. The Apple Calendar is great. It helps you to understand, or even it lets you know, every important meeting that you might have for your birthday or meetings or any anniversary. But for some reason, if you found out your Apple Calendar isn't helping you out to just sync all this information across your other Apple devices like iPad, iMac, Mac, or Apple Watch, then you want to watch the entire video to learn an easy way to solve that problem. So let's get started. Alright guys, now mostly these problems happen only when you have a problem with your internet. So all you can do here, simply go ahead and swipe down from the top here, choose your airplane mode and wait around 10 or 20 seconds. Quickly after that, just go ahead and turn off your airplane mode and check your problem. If you still have the same problem here, the next things I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, just go ahead and switch your network. Now if you're using Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your mobile data. However, if you're using mobile data, just go ahead and turn off your mobile data, just switch back to Wi-Fi and check your problem. Now let's say you have checked your problem, your internet is working fine, but still you have the same problem here. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and talk about is your Apple ID. So what happened here, if we're using a different Apple ID here, then the same information isn't going to be synced to your other devices. So if you're using the same Apple ID here, make sure to come to your Apple ID section. Then you have to just go ahead and tap on your iCloud here. You want to just come down here and tap on see all there. And now you want to find out your calendar. Make sure your calendar is actually toggled on from here. If you see it's turned off, just like that, come over here and toggle on this option here. Now you're good to go. Now let's say you toggle on this option from your Apple ID, but it's still your Apple Calendar isn't syncing all this information here. That's the problem here. Then the next thing that you got to do, of course, you have to open up your settings one more time here. This time around, you want to come down here and choose your calendar application there. Once you come over here, now you want to scroll down again and choose this option called Sync. Make sure you're actually tapping on all events in order for you to just transfer or just share all this event across your other Apple devices. And after that, your problem is going to be solved. Now, let's say you choose your option from here, but still have the same problem here. The next things I'm going to talk about is your date and time. Sometimes, if you are having the incorrect date and times on your device here, then you can have the similar problem. Now, to fix your date and time, you have to open up your settings on your device here, and you want to scroll down here and tap on General there. And here you will see this option called date and time. Just open this up here and simply make sure to just turn on this option called set automatically. After that, your time is going to be accurate and your problem is going to be solved. These are all the things that you guys actually do to solve that problem, but for some reason, let's say you have done all the process so far, but still you have the same problem. And the next things, the last thing that you got to do here, you want to just open up your settings one more time. You're going to scroll down to your general and you want to scroll down again, and this time around you want to choose transfer or reset iPhone. Once you come over here, just tap on reset and simply choose reset all settings. Now just doing this process will actually reset all these customized settings that you have changed so far on your iPhone, and doing this process will actually help you to solve your problem. And right after that, just go ahead and reconnect your device with the network. After that, your Apple Calendar will start to sync all this information to your other devices. Now here's a quick note for everybody. If you're using any third-party calendar application on your iPhone here, then there's a quick thing that you guys can do. Simply go ahead and delete the third-party calendar application right out of your iPhone and you're all good to go. So these are all the things that you guys can do to solve your problem. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.